Hi! Today we're going to learn about integration techniques in calculus. Let's say we have to compute the integral of 2x squared over x cubed plus 4 all squared dx. Now in this video and in the next few videos we'll be learning how to identify which type of technique we want to use. So, how do we figure out which technique we want to use here? Well, in integration by parts, there has to be two different parts. There has to be a v, or on this part in the equation there has to be the integral, then v, or du, and dv. So there has to be two different parts that are usually multiplied together. In partial fractions, we need to have a fraction that we can split into two different fractions because from the denominator. So we need a denominator that we can factor out, and a numerator that is easy to use or work with. In u-substitution, we can either look for the chain rule, or we can see if there is a value in there that when we put u in, it cancels out all the other x's in the equation. So which one should we use here? Now, let's say we used u-substitution. What would we put as u? Well, to make u-substitution work, we need to have this whole thing, this part, or whatever's all inside the parentheses, be u. That way we can just have u squared in the denominator and not have to worry about the 4. Now, another thing that we have to notice is that when we have u, the derivative of u is 3x squared. And if the derivative of u is 3x squared, and 3x squared goes in the denominator, then that means that it cancels out the x squared here. So that means that there will be no x squareds in this equation, or no x's in this equation. So that means that we should use u-substitution. So let's go ahead and see if this works. U, let's say, is equal to x cubed plus 4. That means that du dx is equal to 3x squared, meaning that dx is equal to du over 3x. This is why the derivative goes in the denominator. So this can be rewritten as the integral of 2x over u squared times du over 3x. Sorry, it should be 3x squared, 2x squared, and 3x squared. Sorry about that. Now, as you can see, these x squareds will cancel out. This gives us, now we know 2/3 is a constant, so we can put that outside the integral, so this gives us 2/3 times the integral of 1 over u squared du. And we know that this integral is equal to negative 1 over u. So this is equal to negative 2/3 2 over 3u, because we have to multiply this constant in. But are we done yet? Well, no. Now we have to do the last step. We have to plug back in the value of u that we took out. So this would be equal to negative 2 over 3 times u, which is x cubed plus 4. Today we learned about integration techniques in calculus. Thank you for watching this video.